Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give interview tips as well as career guidance of job notifications as well as TCS Ninja programming logic technologies, how to crack the interviews, how to crack the online rounds, all these type of tips you will get in our channel. So in this video I will discuss about TCS Ninja programming language, few questions, few previous year questions or some kind of questions may come in TCS Ninja programming language. We need to do practice very well about this section. So there will be 10 questions asked in TCS Ninja programming language program portion. So mostly the questions will come from data structures as well as C. So some important note is there, like there will be no negative marking and TCS NQT is adaptive this year. So you will not get any extra rough paper in the exam, as a calculator and rough paper will be available on your desktop screen. So you are not allowed to move your eyes down while giving the examination. So a kind of strict guard will be there. So in this part, the programming logic part, 10 questions will be given to you and total time will be given to you is 15 minutes. Difficulty level will be mostly high. Okay, so for TCS Ninja, actually these few parts are very important, the coding portions as well as the programming logic portion. So if you are familiar with the Cognizant automata fix portion, automata fix programming logic program part of that, then it is easier for you. Okay, so mostly negative marking is not there. 10 among the 10 questions, 7 MCQ question will be there, 15 minutes time, and 3 question will be FUB type, that is in kind of you have to rectify the question or you have to give the correct code snippet. So this type of thing may you can take consider. So mostly the syllabus for the TCS MCQ question is the data types are very important, and functions and scopes, recursion and iteration, file handling, array, variables and registers, loops are very important. You can expect among these 7 questions 3 to 4 questions from loop area and also command line arguments. So these few portions are very much important. You need to focus on the debugging skills, debugging the codes, and those who are good in writing code and debugging codes, those will be hired through TCS Ninja. So some miscellaneous part, sometimes they asked, and sometimes OOPS concept comes, input output stacks and queue, related MCQ, linked list, trees, graphs, dynamic programming and greedy technology, and hashing, searching and sorting. Time complexity is another important area. So you can expect variable functions 1 question of medium difficulty, C input output question 2 questions medium difficulty, command line question 1 medium difficulty, stack queues arrays question 1 to 2 high difficulty, tree graphs 2 high difficulty, linked list and greedy 1 to 2 greedy algorithm 1 to 2 questions high difficulty. So you can just take some idea about the data type quiz. Let's show you the questions. So in this website, in this Prep Insta website, you will get to do the free material practice there to clear your concept for every section. So one free material is available for you. So if you just click on start, then the question will be available for us. So like this one, like Neelam wants to share her code with colleague who may modify it, thus she wants to include the date of the program creation, the author, and others she wants to include the date of the program creation, the author and other information with the program. So what component should she use? So what should she use? Maybe header files or preprocessor. So just check with it or comments. So this will be the correct answer. So in this manner you can get a chance to do rectify your errors. I'm just showing you that how can you do yourself to prepare from this website with the free materials. So we have also done this type of things. We have also prepared from this, so that's why I'm suggesting you. This is one example. I can show you other examples like if I click on loops, then it will again show you the free material. You need to click on start, and there you will get the question by clicking on start. So you can see it's a code snippet in C, like hash include stdio.h int a void, mean the main function is starting if a, so some a will be putted, then the loop is going like if a printf hello else printf world. So if we include the value as 1, then this true loop will this if loop will occur for hello one time. If we take 0, then if 0, the loop will also give some error, because here we are not giving any condition, we are just giving the number, so it will give some error. Okay, so in this manner you will get the questions there. So I'm just showing you that how to deals with these things. I think you are getting a better understanding about the programming logic program parts. So I will definitely share the link with you so that you can practice. Take the free materials from this website. You need not to take the paid material. You can take, but the free materials are quite enough, very good. So that's it, my friend. I think you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends so that your friends also gets benefited from this. Thank you, friend.